Hello friends, in this video we are going to study about thermistors. The control and measurement of temperature is important in almost every field, whether it may be manufacturing industries, electronic devices, consumer products, medical equipment in hospital or your engine oil checkup. Accurate measurement of temperature is essential in refineries, hospitals, chemical plants, food processing units, pharmaceutical industries. Without accurate measurement of temperature, it would not be possible to produce thousands of consumer products which are available to us in our day-to-day life. Again, there are some cases where direct measurement of temperature is not needed, but control and monitoring of temperature is important. For example, in an electronic device, gadget or machine, different electrical components are used. These electrical components may not work properly when the temperature of the device exceeds higher temperature due to power consumption or something. So in order to monitor or regulate the temperature, thermistor is needed. So with the help of thermistor, the temperature can be monitored and indicator will turn on, so you can protect the device. So let us study what are these thermistors. Thermistor is a combination of two words, thermal and resistor. So thermistor is a thermally sensitive resistors. All temperatures do have temperature dependency, which is expressed by temperature coefficient of resistance. For most of the resistors, whether it may be fixed or variable resistors, this temperature coefficient of resistance is very low, so that the change in our temperature does not affect their resistance. On the other hand, for thermistor, this temperature coefficient is very high, so that as the temperature changes, the resistance of the thermistor changes. So thermistor is a passive transducer, as thermistor senses the physical quantity, which is temperature, converts the temperature into change in resistance, and this change in resistance can be converted into electrical current or voltage by connecting the thermistor in a suitable Wheatstone-based circuit or any other circuit. Now the principle of thermistor. Thermistor utilizes resistance variations of semiconductor to sense the temperature of sample. Now thermistor can be of two types, NTC thermistors and PTC thermistors. So NTC thermistors have negative temperature coefficient of resistance. So for NTC thermistor, as the temperature increases, the resistance of thermistor decreases. PTC thermistor have positive temperature coefficient of resistance. So for PTC thermistor, as the temperature increases, resistance of the thermistor also increases. As NTC thermistors can measure low temperature, so they are used for precise measurement temperature, and PTC thermistors are mostly used as fuse, current limiting devices, heaters. You see this kind of symbol in a circuit means that circuit uses thermistors. Thermistors are made by sintering semiconductor ceramic material. Now what is meant by sintering? So sintering means heating under pressure. NTC thermistors can be constructed from semiconductor ceramic material made from metallic mixtures of metallic oxides like manganese, cobalt, nickel, copper, iron, and PTC thermistor is generally a semiconductor like silicon or any other, or polycrystalline ceramic materials which composed of oxalate or carbonate with some dopant impurities like silica, tantalum, manganese or many other. Now these semiconductor ceramic materials are pressed into desired shape and then they are baked at high temperatures. For electrical connections, wire can be included in the thermistor during shaping process or silvering the surfaces after sintering. Now thermistor can be designed in different shapes and sizes. Thermistors can be in the form of bits having diameters from 0.5 mm to 2 mm. Disc and washers up to 25 mm in diameter, rods with diameter ranging from 6 mm to 50 mm long. Bits are enclosed in a evacuated glass envelope or sheet to protect it against corrosion and mechanical damage. Washers can be arranged in series and in parallel. So temperature resistance curve for NTC thermistor. So for NTC thermistor, the resistance decreases as temperature increases. For example, in this curve, a thermistor having a resistance of 3000 ohm at minus 20 degrees centigrade, So for this thermistor, as the temperature increases, its resistance decreases to 40 ohm at 80 degrees centigrade. Means for a temperature change of 100 degrees centigrade, you get a 75 to 1% change in resistance. So this is this very large change in resistance which makes the thermistor a very useful device for temperature measurement and control. The temperature resistance curve for PTC thermistor. For PTC thermistor, there are two types, Cylindrical and switching type PTC. So for Cylindrical type PTC thermistor, the resistance increases as temperature increases, but for switching type PTC thermistor, initially the resistance slightly decreases with increase in temperature, and once a critical temperature has reached, the resistance increases with increase in temperature. Advantages of thermistor. Thermistor has high sensitivity. For a given change in temperature, the resistance of the thermometer changes in a very fast manner. They have very fast response. They are inexpensive. Thermistors are very cheaper, have low cost than other temperature transducers. They are easy to install and use. As they are smaller in size, they are compatible, sturdy. You can use them anywhere at any places. Stability and repeatability. The output of thermistor is very stable and can be repeatable over long period of time. Then smaller in size, as thermistors can be manufactured in different sizes starting from 0.5 mm to 50 mm long. So thermistors are available in smaller sizes. Then faster response as compared to other temperature transducers like thermocouple, resistance thermometer, thermistor have a very fast response. Applications. Thermistors are used for the measurement and control of temperature in ovens, in research labs, microwave ovens, boilers. Also in consumer electronics, day-to-day appliances like TV, refrigerator, mobile, computer. Thermistors are used as in-rush current limiting devices in power supply circuits and also is as circuit protector. Thermistors control surges of power and ensure the correct amount of being is pushed through the device when they are plugged in. Again, in these devices, they are used for control and monitoring of temperature. In hospital, many medical equipment require thermistors. They are used for catheters, patient monitoring and dialysis equipment. Thermistors are also used in HVAC refrigeration system, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. NTC thermistors are also used to monitor the temperature of battery packs while charging, as modern batteries such as lithium-ion batteries are very sensitive to overcharging. The temperature provides a very good indication of the charging state and when to terminate the charging cycle. Thermistors are also used in food and beverages industry to monitor the temperature within the environment of the handling and processing of food or beverage to ensure it is kept at the correct temperature or not. Thermostat in our houses or anywhere uses thermistor as a temperature sensing element, as thermistor have very fast response and high sensitivity. Then thermistor can also be used in 3D printer, as 3D printing requires precise and control measurement of temperature. Thermistors are also used in fire alarms. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.